In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the exciting world of generating videos using Simplified AI. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to create incredible presentations with ease, incorporating visuals, audio, and text elements. So let's jump right in. To get started, click the link in the description below to open up Simplified AI. If you're new here, create an account or log in with your Google account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Templates tab in the left-hand corner of your screen. In the search bar, type in AI presentation and select the corresponding tool below. This tool is perfect for generating presentations enhanced by AI capabilities. Now let's input your presentation topic here. If you want to explore advanced options, click on Activate Advanced Options and adjust the number of results, creativity level, and languages needed. When you're ready, hit the Generate button to begin the process. Great! Now, we just have to wait for the AI to complete the generating process. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's done, we'll move on to the next step. Fantastic! The AI has finished generating your presentation. Click on the Animate tool located at the top to proceed. A new window will pop up on the left side of your screen. Click Get Started to choose animations for your presentation. Make sure to add animations for all of your scenes to bring them to life. Now let's adjust the duration of each scene. You can reduce or increase the duration by sliding the slider to the left or right, respectively. Alternatively, you can input the duration amount manually. Take your time to find the right timing for each scene. Want to add some background music? No problem. Head over to the Media tab located on the left side of your screen. Click on Audio and explore the various options available. If you need more choices, click on View All to expand the selection. Are you ready to add your own voiceover? Simply click the record to start recording your voice. If you prefer a synthesized voiceover, use the convenient text-to-speech tool. It's always a good idea to preview your video before finalizing it. Just click the play button in the preview section to review your presentation. If you want to share your presentation with others, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. You can add the email addresses of the recipients or even share them within a community. Finally, to download your video presentation, click on the Export button on the top right corner of your screen. Then hit the Download button. Wait patiently as the system exports your video. Once it's finished, don't forget to save your video to your preferred location.